What's the meaning of armrest? Armrest. Armrest.
Armrest. Armrest. An armrest is a support for the arms, typically found on chairs, sofas, and other seating furniture. It is usually located on either side of the seat and is designed to provide a convenient place to rest one's arms while sitting. The armrest can also provide support when getting up or sitting down and may help to reduce muscle strain and fatigue. Some armrests are adjustable to accommodate different body types, while others may include built-in features such as cup holders or storage compartments. Overall, the armrest is an important feature that enhances both comfort and functionality in seating furniture.